Today I'm going to show you how to make a USB Ventoy USB stick that will allow you to install any Linux, pretty much any Linux distribution or Windows even. So, and this is running one of the latest PuppyLinux. So let me just go ahead and bring up the where you can download the Ventoy. So for us, we want a Linux tar GZ file. So you just click, and then again tar GZ file, and then you'll download it, and it'll take only less than a couple minutes. So it's just downloading it in the background. So this is download folder. So now it's completed its download. So we can go ahead and right click and go p extract, and then it'll just extract the file. And then we don't need a GZ file anymore, so I'll just delete it and we'll get into the folder itself. And for most of us, what we need is x86-64 GUI. So but if you have an older computer, it may be 386, but we'll just go ahead and click on this. And then I have a USB stick here. SDG is the one I want this to be, a Ventoy USB bootable USB stick. So we'll just go ahead and go down, and then 16 gigabyte jet flash is correct. And then once you make sure that that's the correct, you just go ahead and install. Yes, it will be lost, and it gives you another warning, and then it just takes a few seconds to go ahead and install. And it's successful. So we'll just go ahead and close this, and then you can see that there is this Ventoy stick has been separated into two different partitions. So on the partition 1, what we need to do is just add the ISO of different Linux or Windows, and then just go ahead and copy, for example, here, and then we'll just make a copy of the Bionic pop here. So now you just reboot into the Ventoy stick, and then you will have in this case two different Puppy ISOs that you can use it as a bootable disk.